Hi my friends, today I want to show you how to make the money garland. Let's go! We need money hearts or money stars. How to fold them I've shown earlier. In this video, I want to show you how to connect them together. You can use staples or a thread. I recommend you to choose staples which match the size of your bill. I'm connecting the stars with using a thread. Pay attention to this part. You can use staples for better fixation. I'm connecting the hearts with using staples. Which garland do you like more? I look forward to your comments under the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!